Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Draw with Bhargabi. Hope you are doing well. Today I am bringing a new video of a Rajasthani Lippan artwork. I think you have already watched my Ganesha ji Lippan art video, but this is something different as I have used very small pieces of mirrors in this artwork. Okay, let's get started. Using a square shaped MDF board of side 12 inches and its thickness is 2.5 mm. I have colored the board with Prussian blue acrylic color. Now I will be using Fevicryl molded clay for the structures. Here I have made some designs on the clay parts with the help of scale, but those designs are made only on the two outer clay parts and some inner clay parts. First I am applying black color only on the design clay parts, and I will color the other parts with yellow acrylic color. using golden metallic shade to highlight the complete design. Here I will not use any brush for coloring. After coloring all the designs, I will leave it for 4 hours to get completely dried, and will apply varnish on top of it and again leave it for 1 hour. So now I will be attaching very small pieces of mirrors of different shapes with the help of tweezer. By the way, those who have missed my previous Lippan art video, I am giving the video link for them in my description box below. You can watch that video after finishing it. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.